Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're not exactly doing a physical travel video, but it's more of a travel experience through wine. I've got the Around the World in 24 Wines box from Costco, and we're gonna open it up. Full disclosure, this is take 2 on this video. Take 1, I got so excited to get into one of the wines that I forgot to hit record. So sorry about that. I'll show you the first wine, but let's take a look at the outside of the box first. It's got all this wonderful stamps and travel related things. So cute. And it does have the QR code that you can scan, or you can go to the website and find out exactly what's in the box, but I haven't looked it up, so we're gonna be surprised together. Let's open it up. So the inside, it's got this cute design there. And all of the different ones. Like I said, I already got into the first one. It was very delicious. It's the Lightning Strikes Again Cabernet. I hope all of them are even half as this good, and we're going to be in a good shape. Full disclosure, I did already drink this also. Sorry everyone, I'm sorry, I know. But it was very tasty. Let's see what else is in the box. Number 2. These things are not easy to break into. Oh, what do we have? Ooh, Pinot Grigio. All right. I'm not going to be drinking all of these tonight because that'd be a different kind of video altogether, but I will post in the comments about how all of them turn out. I could just lift that up, but what's the fun in that, right? Apparently no paper cuts is the fun in that. Okay. Box 3. Ooh, Merlot. Okay. So it appears to be both a mixture of reds and whites. Maybe. Is that, yeah, that's white, right? Pinot Grigio, yes? Okay. I'm not a wine aficionado. Not even close, everyone. Not even a little bit. Not even at all. Okay. Number 4. What do we got? Let Good Be Red Blend. All right. Wine of Sicily. All right. Number 5. I like how they make the openings of these just small enough. Like, okay. Sauvignon Blanc, Romania, Classic Cruise. All right. Number 6. That looks tasty, based on my wine expertise. Unlike books, I totally judge a bottle of wine by its cover. It doesn't always work out for me, though. What about you guys? Are you guys wine aficionados? What's your favorite kind of wine? Oh, we just did that was number 5. And that was number 6. What are we on? Number 7. Okay. Number 7, Stacks and Stones. And has anyone else gotten this box before? Is it similar wines each year? Let me know in the comments. Number 8. Oh my gosh, almost spoiled the surprise for all of us. I like that. Based on the art alone, I like it. Number 8, tucking that back in. Number 9. I'm serious, you guys, this is not as easy to open as it looks. Get out of there. Trim Vine Merlot. All right, number 10. Kind of feeling like the Kraken vibes there. Octopoda. Number 11. There you are. Get it. And doing this with my left hand, and I'm right-handed, so that's a whole nother thing. Seaworthy tail, Hungary. Don't know why, but I'm getting Old Man in the Sea vibes. Although I doubt that's the kind of ship that he was on, or boat he was on, rather. I'm sure it will be tasty. Number 12. Let's get it. All right, a rosé. $13. Another Cabernet. I love that. Look at that. I'm fine. Right hook. Amour. Without compromise. How funny is that? All right, let's start stacking these up over here. What was that, folks? Was that number 13? Number 14. What you got for us? Oh my gosh. Paper cuts. That's what he's got for us. Okay. White blend from Portugal. I'm not pronouncing these because I won't be able to correctly, so not even close. Not even gonna try. Not even gonna try. Number 15. Open up. There we go. It's from Italy. Asmato. All right. Red wine, 2021. I lost track. What was that? What number was it? Was that 15? 16. There we go. It's probably be easier if I didn't just drink that whole bottle of wine, huh? All right. Old World Players. South Africa. Have any of you ever heard of any of these brands or had them before? Let me know. They're all new to me. I'm excited. Hopefully I'll find some new favorites. 17. I'm making a mess of this box. Secrets Revealed. Red Blend, Portugal. All right. 17. 18. Oh my God, you guys, this box is toast. Oh my goodness, look at the little doggy. Little rosé. Very cute. It's number 18. Let's get after number 19. Holy cats. Okay. Get out of there. Oh, I just messed up the whole box. Okay, there we go. Well, sort of. Yeah. Okay. All right. 19, number 20. Have my hand right on it. Red blend from Italy. All right. 21. Oh. Brass Rabbit. Looks like it'd be a good gift for someone for Easter, but I doubt it will last that long in my house. Not saying I'm the only one that drinks wine, but we occasionally have people over, and these bottles are not your standard size. Does it say what size they are? I'll look that up and I'll get back to you guys. Does it say it on here? I will look that up and get back to you guys. Back to the unboxing. What number are we on? Just a 21. Number 22. It's my lucky number. Hopefully it's a beautiful wine. Velvet Rider. Cabernet. All right. Yes. I'm excited for some of these. 23. Oh my gosh, folks, this one might not come out of it. Look at it. This cardboard is completely done for. There's no structural integrity left. Argosy Pirates Red Blend. Okay. And number 24, last but not least. I could have just lifted it up, that would have been cheating. Nightfall White Blend from Spain. There it is, all 24 wines. I already drank one, I can tell you it was fantastic. But I'm excited to jump into all of these. And I will let you know how it goes. Does it say the size of these things? Am I missing it? Is it right in front of me? Does it show the size of these wines? Oh my gosh, yeah, it is right in front of me. 24 375 milliliter curated wines from around the world. So they are 375 milliliters. So for size comparison, let me get a regular bottle of wine. So that's the size difference there. This box was $100 and you get 24 bottles of wine, which really was a good value if they turn out to be decent. If not, I don't know, maybe I'll turn them into some sangria or give some away as gifts or something. We'll see. I don't know how much of these I'm actually going to drink myself, but I will try to at least taste most of them for you to give you some updates in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and like my channel. I've got several more videos coming out about cruising. I've got a trip to Egypt coming up and we'll be posting a lot about that stuff. I'm also going to Phoenix, Wisconsin, and Michigan, and Savannah. So be sure to follow me so you can catch all the videos from all of those journeys. Happy holidays, everyone. Drink responsibly.